Hi everybody, in this video use a few minutes to introduce the concept of ExTool and the basic idea behind the ExTool, as well as how we as a user or contributor interact with ExTool. So ExTool stands for Excel tool. It is an Excel add-in tool that backed with application library both from local computer or the cloud to parametrically extend the function of Microsoft Excel. So what is the features that stand out from what is available in the market? The first difference is that we try to stay away from the conventional GUI such that we will have a one-click access to all the functionality that is offered in ExTool. And we try to make simple and parametric tools that will speed up the typical operations within the Excel while keep the logic simple enough to develop and learn. And we use local and cloud hybrid libraries such that the local will serve as a fast and personal library, while the cloud will be more stable, readily available throughout the internet, is offered through ExTool. You can easily customize, archive, and share the information or logic, essentially applications that you develop or you customize using ExTool. And this is intended to drastically improve the communications between the developer and the user, or between the peer user in terms of experience to a new user, or from a manager convey certain standard information to each individual contributor. We also feature a data and logic bundle that is hosted within Excel such that the concept is able to allow a user to use a particular function for a particular target data, while the entry point for that particular function is right next to the data. And those data and logic bundle is essentially data that can be shared between any Excel user. So the ExTool offers a simple, fast, customizable, cloud-sourced, both in terms of demand and the solution. And it's also a parametric tool. So to summarize in four-word sentence is same Excel, ExTool difference. And why we use ExTool? For new users, I think ExTool can offer a very good platform for the user to tap into cloud-accessed library of essentially knowledge base for helping information, demo, guidance that is abstracted within the ExTool library. And for the advanced user, which ExTool actually comes more useful, because for advanced user, they tend to deal with repetitive work that they want to speed up or delegate it to the computer to do some of the work. When they start to manage a large quantity of information, they need some kind of a extended function that is offered within Excel to be able to handle those information automatically, less error in terms of human error, and be able to distribute them among multiple users. And we can also ExTool can offer a platform that can help people, particularly developer, that experienced developer, or somebody just copy some VBA code from the internet to solve his or her particular problem. And oftentimes those efforts are not sustainable, very difficult to organize and accumulate. And ExTool offers this tool that can over time make those efforts cumulative and easily retrievable. And it also offers a platform that essentially serves as a knowledge base, so that one user can save customized information into the library and be able to distributed or shared between peer users, so that, say, if a manager set up certain standard and using ExTool, all the team member will be able to access those standard information within ExTool and be able to produce end product with standardized high quality. And all of these functionalities offered by ExTool as a solution, we should look at it in a way that it's offered in a unique, very intuitive way. And with a comparison to help you understand the difference. For Yahoo, it used to be a website that a lot of people go. It's famous for its categorized content. You go click certain menu, say finance, you go into the finance, go to Wall Street or retirement plan and so on and so forth. You get your information through layered or categorized menu. While later, Google comes around that offers you information through searchable manner. So in Excel, as you would imagine, all the ribbons and other methods that essentially are layered manual, those are static, so that you will go there for a particular function every time you need that particular function. And those are static, such that you will have to manually go through layered information to get your function, which I call it conventional GUI. With ExTool, it serves as more or less searchable menu, so that you, whatever information you need, you type in a keyword, you access those applications through the search results. And oftentimes with the data and the logic bundle, those previous effort of using particular application is linked to your target data, such that you don't have to search again. So with that, we can reiterate how to use ExTool. It's one click for everything. You can one click and search application that is available within the ExTool library. You can get help regarding Excel or ExTool applications with Shift plus ExTool. Unique entry for help information within ExTool. Shift plus ExTool. And you can customize, archive, retrieve, and share knowledge base with ExTool easily. You can communicate with the developer and the peer user using those data logic bundle. And you can also further develop, register, and share ExTool application in a library, such that you will be able to develop something for a particular needs and register it into the library. And as specific as the application is, as little potential user there are through ExTool, you can find it as soon as you offer it. If there's 10 person in the world that needs this particular function through ExTool, over the cloud, they will be able to access your developed function. With all the features described, we can potentially see the relationship of you and ExTool is that you can use ExTool as a user to boost your productivity with ExTool in Excel, or even beyond Excel, doing file management or web information collecting and sorting, filtering, personal data or knowledge base library build up, and so on and so forth. Then once you have information that needs to share, or have the knowledge about Excel that needs to be delegated to other people, then you can inform, collaborate, or advise peers about the work done using ExTool. Then whatever you productively increase can be propagated through ExTool to other people. Then you essentially become a trainer. Further down the road, if you have developed something using VBA or within a spreadsheet, some utility tools that is of value to other users, you can potentially provide the solution within the ExTool and help other people as a developer. So this concludes introduction of ExTool, the concept, and how we interact with them, how everybody can interact with ExTool with different character. Thanks for watching.